Is Iran safe to travel? You might be surprised by the answer. So let's go. Are you thinking about visiting Iran but aren't sure if it's safe? You are not alone. With the media often showing a different side of the country, many tourists have questions about traveling here. But as someone who lives in Iran, I'm here to share the truth. Iran is a safe and welcoming country for tourists. In this video, we will dive into why Iran is safe, and I will share my personal experiences along with practical advice to help you feel confident about visiting. Let's get started. When it comes to crime, Iran is known for being one of the safest countries in the Middle East. While like any country, petty crimes like pickpocketing can happen in crowded places, but violent crime is extremely rare here. In fact, Iran consistently ranks as one of the safest places in the region for travelers. Of course, it's important to stay aware of your surroundings, especially in touristy spots. But the overall safety level here is high, especially compared to many Western cities. One of the biggest surprises for tourists in Iran is the warmth and hospitality of the people. Iranians take great pride in being hosts and showing visitors the beauty of their culture. Don't be surprised if you are invited for tea or offered help with directions. This happens all the time. I have met travelers who were amazed by how helpful people are. Even in the busiest places, strangers will stop to ask if you need help. Iranians genuinely care about making sure tourists feel welcome. And while the language barrier might be a concern, it's not something that should hold you back. Many Iranians, especially younger generations, speak basic English. And even if you don't speak Farsi, learning a few words like hello, salam, and thank you, merci, goes a long way in showing respect to the locals. In terms of public spaces, Iran is safe to explore day or night. Cities like Tehran, Isfahan, and Yazd are well lit and busy after sunset. Whether you are walking down a lively street or taking the metro, you will notice the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a country full of life and energy, and the vibe is far from dangerous. One of the best things about Iran is its public transportation system. The metro is efficient, safe, and easy to use, and the buses and taxis are reliable. In fact, taxis are easily available in most cities, and if you want to make things even more convenient, you can use local ride-hailing apps like Snap, which are just like Uber and widely used throughout Iran. City like Adabi, but it's really nice. While Iran is incredibly safe, it's important to be aware of cultural and legal norms. The country has strict dress codes, especially for women. If you're a female traveler, you will need to wear a headscarf and modest clothing at all times in public. Don't worry, it's easy to adapt. The key is to wear loose-fitting clothing that covers your arms and legs. Men are expected to dress modestly as well, and shorts are typically not worn in public. These rules may seem strict at first, but they are part of local culture. And once you get the hang of it, you will feel comfortable and at ease. And one thing to keep in mind, while it's generally safe to take photos of beautiful landscapes, historical sites, and cityscapes, you should ask permission before taking pictures in religious sites or areas where photography is restricted. So, is Iran safe for tourists? Yes, absolutely. Iran offers a rich culture, stunning history, and incredibly warm and welcoming people. As long as you respect local laws and customs, you will find a smooth and safe experience. Just remember to dress modestly, avoid discussing sensitive political topics with strangers, and always be mindful of local customs. Iran may not be a typical tourist destination for many, but it's one of the most rewarding countries you can visit. From ancient ruins like Persepolis to the beautiful landscapes of desert and the Persian Gulf, Iran offers so much to explore. If you are planning a trip here, trust that you will be welcomed with open arms. So, what are you waiting for? I hope this video has helped clear up any doubts you may have had about traveling to Iran. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more insights about Iran and other travel tips. See you in the next video.